Cyber attacks happen every day. Companies lose money, data gets exposed. This is why the Cybersecurity Analyst exists. A cybersecurity analyst protects systems, networks, and data. They monitor threats, they detect attacks early, they respond before damage spreads. They work with security software, firewalls, and monitoring tools. They analyze suspicious activity. They close security gaps. Cybersecurity analysts work in banks, tech companies, hospitals, and governments. Anywhere data exists, security matters. To become one, you need strong problem-solving skills, basic networking knowledge, understanding of security risks. Many roles start without advanced coding. Salaries range from $70,000 to $140,000 per year. Senior roles earn more. Demand keeps rising as cyber attacks increase. This job matters because digital systems power modern life. Without security, everything breaks. Subscribe to Future Work now for more future jobs explained.